Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear brake rotor brake pad on 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Okay, let's get it started guys. So let me show you the tool required for it. So the caliper, piston tool, and number 18mm wrench, and screwdriver and the sledgehammer. They said is a useless tool on it. Okay guys, so let's get it started. So we're gonna remove the caliper slider bone. Here is number 18mm that I said. Just cut loose it and make sure don't break the boot. Okay, the calipers boot in here, just make sure it loose. Okay, we don't want to keep spinning and break it. All right, so then just take it out. Oh no, it's more spending it, not good. We don't want to break the boot and change the caliper again. So there's a slider in here. We're gonna clean the rust that building up to it. So I'm gonna show you how to clean it out too. Check it both, okay, upper and lower. Make sure the slider nice and clean. You see the slider in here, you see the corrosion. It's a rusty start building up inside. So we're gonna clean it out, okay. So then we crack loose on the top. So on the top slider in here, it won't come out because it's stuck with the spring in it. So just lift spring. So don't do anything to it, just release it and take out the caliper bolts. It's number 18mm also. They use the same size of both, so 18. And let me put on the bottom too. It's all 18, perfect. It's easy for us. You don't use much tool on the rear brake. I'm gonna lift this one. Let me put the screwdriver, pull the caliper piston in a little bit to get room to twist it up. So you can see clearly. Let me adjust the camera up a little bit. You see the caliper in here. I'm gonna check the caliper, make sure the caliper works properly. Okay, so it's a tool in here. You can buy it at auto part or online. It's cheaper. But the one I use it right now, I use a snap-on one, a little bit expensive. So you don't need to buy the expensive one. Just buy the regular one that you can purchase it at auto part or online. Cheaper, around $20 something or $18 something. But yes, caliper go in smoothly. So just remove the, you see it, the caliper bone here. So number 18. Just remove it, and the top slider, caliper slider bone here, it won't come out. It's too close to the left spring. So one's out and one more. Yeah, it come out. Lucky, so it come out easy for me. All right, so it's come out right now, and I'm gonna remove the sliders out and clean up. I don't want any dirt, any rust building up. So right now it's time to remove the rotor. The rotor in here are a little bit old, guys, so I don't know if it's gonna be easy to remove or not. Just try to knock it. Oh, it's come out. Oh, perfect, huh? So let me remove the brake pad. Here, try to remove the pad out from the caliper bracket. It's out now. Okay, so Yes, everything is out. You see the rust in here. I'm gonna use a spray W40 to clean up a little bit. And should I show you how to clean this one? Yes, let me show you how to clean it out. See the caliper slider in here. So rusty, so let me show you how to clean it out. Use the grinder to clean it out. Clean. So it's perfect. The new camera to suppress in here and adjust cameras up a little bit to the same place. And see, the boot in here is so built up with the rusty, so we're gonna clean with the brake cleaner. Just spray the brake cleaner in a little bit and clean all those stuff out. Okay, let me clean it up a little bit. Okay, I'm not gonna carry. Just tell you, just spray the brake cleaner and clean all the dirt out, the rust out inside. Should be good to go. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put the rotors out and go get a new rotor. I'll be back shortly, guys. So let me go get a new rotor and reinstall it. Okay. Before you install the brake rotor, make sure clean the brake rotor with the brake cleaner. It's hard for me to carry the camera back and forth, so just let the camera on one side. And let me install the new rotor. Install it. Just okay, it's perfect. And reinstall the brake caliper. Okay, it's a number 18mm. Yeah, you wanna go in, huh? Come on, man. And one more on the bottom. Okay, so just keep tightening it. So this one is one good, and we're gonna tight it. Use a technique. I'm not gonna use power too much. There you go. And let me tighten a little bit more. Oh, it's perfect. Move camera a little bit, blocking me. Sorry. See it clearly. So let me give more pressure on it. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. It's time to install the new brake pad on it. Let me try to put it in first. It's not gonna go in. See, it's not gonna go in. I have to grind it out a little bit, okay guys? So should I show you how to grind it, or okay, let me show you a little bit, then show you one, then the other one I'm not gonna show it. It's just okay. I'm gonna put the camera on here and I'm gonna grind it here. And let me put the camera back into the same place where it was. So let me try it out one more time. Still one. Still stuck it, not good. So I'm gonna grind a little bit more. It won't fit with it. Okay. So you see the brake pad like that? It's not good at all. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna grind it a little bit more. Okay. Stuck with which side was stuck in. I want to see it a little bit, and okay, so it's stuck on that side. All right, so I'll be back. Coming back and try one more time. It still doesn't want to go in. Are you serious? Okay, smooth in, smooth out now. It's just stuck with the shim. Stupid. Okay, this one is good. Let me try the other one for the outer one. Just stuck with the shim. Oh, this one won't go in. It won't go in at all. Okay, I need to grind a little bit on the top in here, the inner one, the upper one, the inner one. I'll be back. I grind a little bit. So let me try one more time and let's see how it goes. It's perfect. see, it looks out, it's perfect. So after you install the brake pad in, make sure it, you see, smooth in, smooth out. Okay, so it's time to install the new, it's not the new one. So let me bring I'm gonna put some special grease to lube it. It's in now. The one on top is in. I'm gonna watch it on the barn too. So you see the slider that I just cleaned it. Let me apply some special grease for the slider. Okay, this one is not the regular grease, guys, so don't try to put the regular grease on the caliper slider. You're gonna damage to the slider. Okay, like sometimes they make the bolt like getting bigger and bigger and starting seize up. You can ask them for the grease for the caliper slider bolt. Ask the auto part guy, you know, the seller. So okay, it's all set right now, and make sure the bolt sit on the right place. It's perfect. Let me go upper bolt here, and after the last bolt here, the job is almost done. Okay, it's perfect. I use a number 18mm to tighten it up a little bit. Sorry, maybe blocking you. Okay, so perfect. Make sure it tight. Okay. Right now, it's all set. It's how to replace the rear brake pad and rotor on Chevrolet Silverado and 2008. This one is 2500 HD. Sorry guys. So after you replace the pad and rotor, please go inside the car, okay, before you start the cars up. Please go inside the car. Let me show you guys. Go inside the car and step on the brake panels. Okay, step on it a couple of times. Make sure the panel stay in high and up and hot. So it means you're good to go, guys. So this one is the last procedure for the replacing the brake. Okay, now let's go back to lesson here. Okay, it's all set right now. You know, after we replace the pad and rotor, go inside the car, step on the brake panel 4 or 5 times, and should be good to go. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any question, chat, let me know. Yeah, I'm happy to give you more detail on it. Okay, thank you.